sorry, it's all we have.
Not anymore! Look!
Sokka, wait! You shouldn't be eating strange plants.
There's water trapped inside these.
I don't know.
Suit yourself. It's very thirst-quenching, though. Drink cactus juice. It'll quench you. Nothing's quenchier. It's the quenchiest.
Okay, I think you've had enough.
Who lit Toph on fire?
Can I get some of that cactus?
I don't think that's a good idea. Come on, we need to find Aang.
How did we get out here in the middle of the ocean?
What is that?
What? What is what?
It's a giant mushroom. Maybe it's friendly!
Let's just keep moving. I hope Aang's okay.
Friendly mushroom! Mushy giant friend!
Say?
Why don't we ask the circle birds? I think my head is starting to clear out the cactus juice. And look! Tastes like rotten penguin meat! Oh, I feel woozy.
You've been hallucinating on cactus juice all day, and then you just lick something you find stuck to the wall of a cave?
I have a natural curiosity.
Oh, I'm a guy.